Should I order Jamaican, Italian? Ooh, Chinese. A General Tso for $19 plus a $7 delivery fee? Ugh, so expensive these days. You know what? We could just make it at home. Let's go.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids!
The flavor of the tofu is tangy and a bit spicy. Not only that, it's easy to make and affordable. If you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 3 Plant-Based Kids. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 3 Plant-Based Kids.
One more time.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 3 Plant-Based Kids. If you want to see more recipes like this,